In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in ChatGPT. Creating a project is quick and straightforward, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can stay organized from the start. Begin on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. This vertical panel is your navigation hub. If it looks minimized, hover over the left edge or move your cursor there and it should expand. Take a moment to scan the options in this area so you're comfortable with where everything lives. Within that sidebar, find the project's category. It's labeled clearly and sits alongside your other navigation items. Projects are designed to group related work, prompts, files, and notes under one roof, so this is the ideal place to centralize anything you plan to revisit. If you're new to this view, don't worry. Once you've created one project, it will show up here every time you return. Inside the projects area, look for the New Project button. It's typically easy to spot and may appear as a button with a plus sign, or simply say, New Project. Go ahead and click it. This opens a simple form to get your project started. You'll now be prompted to name your project. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive, so you can find it quickly later. Think about the purpose. For example, Marketing Launch Plan Q3, Python Study Notes, or Client Onboarding Drafts. Short, specific names are best. Avoid including any sensitive information in your title. You can usually rename the project later if your focus changes, so don't overthink it. Pick something that helps you recognize it at a glance. Once you've entered the name, click Create Project to confirm. That's it. After a brief moment, your new project will be created and listed under the Projects category in the left sidebar. From now on, whenever you return to this section, you'll see your project there, ready for you to open and continue working. To recap, you opened the left sidebar, found the Projects category, clicked the New Project button, gave your project a clear name, and selected Create Project. With those few clicks, you've set up a dedicated space to keep related conversations and resources in one place, making your workflow cleaner and more efficient. Thanks for following along. Now that you know where the projects area lives and how to create one, you can set up as many organized spaces as you need and get right to work.